gonna get it from Mackey's or KFC. Maybe I'll get it from Burger King. Anywhere is great. I still don't know where I'm going to go, but I know I'm gonna get one. Chicken burgers are my favourite food. I want a chicken burger. I want one so much I'll fly away. I've been finding money on the floor. Managed to save just a little bit of money so I can buy a burger. Just $6.69 I can get my burger, and I can't wait to get my burger. Really want to get it now. So my head has a problem. It wants a burger all the time, but I have self-control. But depends if I'm really hungry when my burger is waiting. I was planning how to get hold of it. I know it's getting close, so I got ready to get it. I want a chicken burger. I just found out Mackey's are closed today. I gotta make a decision. Run to England or wait another day. No, I am running to Mackey's. Going so fast, fell out of breath. But you know I need that burger, so I am still running. Oh, why? I need that burger. Oh, I had a feeling like I was so close, was so close, was so close. Chicken burger. Still running, I'm so close. Still not in England. Running at a pace that you wouldn't understand. I know it will get closer. I run faster, it will feel better. I will definitely run faster. I'm getting closer, but I still can't smell it. So you know that I am running to Mackey's. Going so fast, fell out of breath. But you know I need that burger, so I am still running. Oh, why? I need that burger. Oh, why? I had a feeling like I was so close, was so close, was so close. I want the chicken burger. I am actually in England. I've been running faster than a car, and I've been running more than I've been breathing. I know I'm gonna get closer, but I'm in Macclesfield and Mackey's is in Sheffield. I got so far, I ain't turning back now, so let me keep on running. So you know that I am running to Mackey's. Going so fast, fell out of breath. But you know I need that burger, so I am still running. Oh, why? I need that burger. Oh, why? I can't believe I'm actually here. I'm actually here. I'm actually here. Mackey's! I got my chicken burger. Tastes better than ever before. I can't believe I got my burger. I'm so happy.